Welcome back to GTyar, ladies and gentlemen. We are on Route 2, eastbound, and I wanted to take a moment to send a special shout out to one of my favorite YouTube car review gentlemen. His name is Tedward. That's the name of his YouTube page. And in a lot of his reviews, he is driving on Route 2, or he gets onto Route 2 for a moment, and then he takes what I like to call the Tedward On Ramp. That's what I've dubbed it, because he's taken it so many times with whatever car he's reviewing. So here it is right here, Route 2 onto the 95 South exit here. And this is one of the awesomest entrance ramps around, because you could take it fairly fast. Nice wide sweeping right at first, and then it comes into this super long sweeping left. You know, you can tell my speed right here. And then just the best entrance onto 95 right here. Obviously right now is not the best time to be doing 50, so we'll slow it down. But there it is right there. I call that the Tedward On Ramp. Thank you, Mr. Tedward, for all your amazing reviews. Keep up the great work. I just had to give you a shout out because I massively respect the work you do. And I think we should officially call that on-ramp the Tedward On-Ramp. Yeah, baby. Awesome. All right. Thank you for watching.